No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
I don't blame you. She's not.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
What, my intel is not good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that not only Justin.
No, I don't care. You're not coming in here. Bro, cuss at me one more time. Oh, go, you little ass.
I said don't get comfortable. Get out. Sumo, get out of the dryer. Sumo, please get out of the dryer.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell?
You don't talk to me like that, lady. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't bitch at me, I bitch at you.
What do you have an attitude with her for? She didn't even do nothing. Leave her alone. Josie.
Olivia, come here. Come here.